Hey, what is going on everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be taking a look at a couple of cases for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, these are also available for the regular S10, and if by the end of this video you find yourself interested in any of these cases, I will leave some links down in the description below so you can go check them out for yourself. But they are by a company called Rhinoshield, and they make some pretty nice cases actually. I actually really like these ones. So let's go ahead and get started with the one on the right. Now, this is more of a bumper case, the super tough bumper case that doesn't add any bulk. As you can see here, it's pretty flexible and it's going to protect all the outer edges of your device, but as well as the back and the front, and I'll show you why right now. So let's go ahead and throw this on. Just got to snap it all around the edges. You can see there, fits good, fits nice. Buttons work well. Power button working good there. Also, the volume rockers are working good there, nice and responsive, and the Bixby button as well. So let me go ahead and go back home. Now, turning to the back, you wouldn't think that you're going to get any protection right here, but you actually do. As you can see, they give you a nice lip on the top and at the bottom, giving some razivity. So if you happen to put your phone face down like that, you're not going to get any scratches on the back because it's going to be raised. And if you happen to have a light fall on the back like that, the back of the phone should not touch the ground, less obviously if you have a rock or something, but it should still give it some nice protection. The reason I like this is because you can still show off the beautiful back of your device, this nice prism bright color, and just look at the way it glares right there in the light, showing off how beautiful the color changes get. And then also in the front, you get some nice razivity as well on the top and the bottom, a nice lip right there. So if you happen to drop your phone face down or just set it down real lightly, you should not be able to get any scratches in the front. But this is the scratch guard case if you're one that doesn't really drop your phone too much, but you still want some kind of protection and still be able to show off your device. This is the one for you. And the price on this one is $24.99, and these are actually early releases that I have right here. They will be available in early April, so you can actually pre-order them with the links I got down below. All right, so on to the next case. Now, this next one over here is called the Solid Suit, and this is actually a carbon fiber one, and it's actually really nice. This is actually my favorite out of the three just because of the nice look it has in the back, and it actually feels pretty durable. As you can see there, it's not too flexible with just a little bit of flex. It's got a nice finish inside that will absorb shocks if you do happen to drop your phone in this. Let's go ahead and throw the device on the inside of this case. Fits nice and snug actually, so it feels pretty tight in there, feels good in the hand. It's not too bulky, it's got somewhat of a slim design, so that's always good for those of you who don't like bulky cases. And just look at how nice it looks. I really like this carbon fiber look to it, looking really nice, showing just a little bit of your prism white right there. And like I said earlier, if you do want to show off that prism white color, then this is going to be the one to go with. But if you want a case that just looks nice to switch off with as well and have something different in the back, this is nice as well, because they do sell skins that you can just put over the back that do look like this, but they don't give as much protection as a case. So with this case, you're gonna get the nice look in the back and still have that protection. As you can see here, you got a nice lip on the top and bottom. The buttons work well, as you can see there, really responsive, as well as the volume rockers, and the Bixby button is working good as well. So buttons are responsive. Got the nice cutouts on the bottom for everything that you need down there. Got cutouts on the top as well. And then you got a nice two little holes right here to put a lanyard if you want to do that as well. But like I said, it's got the nice lip on top and the bottom if you happen to drop your phone face down, and it's got a nice indentation for the camera if you happen to drop it on its back. Shouldn't damage the camera at all. But yes, this is the Solid Suit carbon fiber case, and the price on this one is actually $34.99, and you can pre-order it now with the link down below. All right, so on to the next case right here. This is another Solid Suit case, but like I said earlier, it's more of a matte black finish in the back, which actually isn't too bad. But as you can see there, if your hands tend to be a little greasy, it will show fingerprints, but they just wipe right off. But this is a nice matte black finish, and I actually don't think this one looks too bad. It's soft to the touch, so it actually feels pretty comfortable in the hand. It feels just like this one actually feels nice and durable, really slim, so you don't have to worry about any bulkiness or anything like that, but still giving your phone some pretty good protection. Got the nice indentation in the back for the camera. Buttons are responsive on this one as well, and you can see there the volume rocker is working good as well. Bixby button working good as well, and the cutouts are good on the bottom as well, working perfect. and the cutout on the top for the mic, and this one also has the holes for the lanyard as well. But yes, this one's got the nice lip on the top and the bottom. It's going to be exactly like this one, it just doesn't have the cool design in the back. So if you happen to drop it like this or just set it down, the screen should not get scratched, or if you happen to drop it on its back, no damage should be done to the camera. And the price on this one is $29.99. Now let's go ahead and check out the wireless charging to see if both of these cases will work with wireless charge. I got the wireless charger right here. So you can see working good right there. Let's go ahead and switch the cases. Go ahead and throw this one on. Make sure this one works with wireless charging as well. Throw it right on there. Boom, working with the wireless charging. So there you go. We got the 3 cases from Rhinoshield. We got the crash guard, solid suit and carbon fiber, and then the regular solid suit in a nice matte black finish. And this is also available in other colors as well. If you check the links down below, you can check out those colors. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about these cases. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it and find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications to keep up with more future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.